Going on, guys? We're gonna keep this intro short and sweet. Right now I'm putting the truck to work. We got my boy Sashi's bike on the back and we about to go trade it for a dirt bike. The bike like fits, but I hope it's like a good enough amount of room because I had to CT.
We keep it tight. Bomba Cloud, we got Ray Trulich and Brandon G. We got Sashi F30. Let's go get this fucking dirt bike.
So I got a check engine like the other day for mass airflow. Hell yeah. I thought it was because the battery, but look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
It ain't your fault. Boom! Yo! Get fuck the fuck! Such a fuck!
Damn. Yeah, some shit. Airbag went on. Car seat was in the front seat, nigga. Nigga, nah, nigga, look at that AC cold, y'all. Right, so it's raining.
So I should make a post so I can repost it. Cause I don't want to do it myself. People gonna hate me.
Wow.
Be like, as soon as the weather get warm, y'all want to go to City Island. Y'all can tell who don't got passports.
Yo, this nigga's dumb.
Why you say that?
Why you say that?
Bro, there's so much places to go and people always run to City Island, bro.
Yeah.
Damn. So, damn, this shit got focus. Yeah, we on the way there now. Get a bike in the back, man. Get you a pickup, man. There's a clean ass EG right there. So right now, we in the middle of Carajo land, nigga. Truck doing alright on gas mileage. So right now we 20 minutes away. 17. About to get there. Ugly niggas.
Get outside, yo. Listen, we about to be wheeling all summer, man. From the 12 o'clock boys. Stay tuned, you heard me?
Nigga right knocked out.
Need a crew cab. What he said? Alright.
Okay.
Oh, fucking Jamaican restaurant, what the fuck?
That's us transmission. Oh, we like 4 minutes away.
Jamaican restaurant next to transmission store, that's crazy.
Facts. My son put the sign up over there, like, yo, look over there at the transmission store.
Oh yeah, spot. General Pier.
I'm turning back.
That shit empty, nigga.
Empty.
You wanna test it on the way back?
Oh no.
Nah, fuck money, nigga. We gotta. You talking about you gotta stretch, nigga. You gonna do more than that.
Yeah.
You fucking try that Jamaican food.
Facts, you gotta take a shit after. Nigga, you know Ben can't eat spicy food, nigga.
So we just got here. That's the bike we're trading it for. Oh, you little faggot ass nigga. Damn. I don't know shit about dirt bikes. I just drove up here.
Yeah, nah. Let's get fucked up.
So right now, you gotta like push it forward. There you go. So now we about to just take this down. Go. That's lighter?
Oh yeah, that's way lighter. Holy shit, this bike is way lower than my old one. I'd be out in this bitch.
Wait, a lower bike is better?
I like it.
The only reason why I lowered it because I'm short, so I gotta stop, like, you know. So I was like,
I like it. It's more comfortable when it's lower. That's why I'm high up.
lower my
shit.
Start out, Sashi. Yeah, so you are.
I don't know. You started. I don't know how to kick this shit.
Like, I don't mind if I do.
These niggas know how to kick these shits. I don't know how to kick none of that. They gonna have to teach me, bro. My boy Ben getting a dirt bike.
It's carburetor, so yeah, fucking.
Say bye bye to you. The kick, bro. Pull that out, yeah.
One kick is crazy, I ain't gonna lie. One kick is crazy. Yo, one kick is a good thing or not?
I didn't let this
Nah, yeah. Yeah. Oh.
First time on the T-bike?
He's first time?
No, he's the fucking timid one. He's like fucking very timid. He's scared to die. Look how slow he's going. Realize you guys are crazy.
Let's go.
I'm surprised.
No more, let's go. How you stop this? Why they put those on the back?
What? This?
Yeah.
To plug the exhaust so water doesn't go in there.
Nah, none of us know how to wheelie.
Learning on the dirt bike is not easy. You put that bitch in second, hold the clutch in, rev, and it just goes. And we're gonna rate them. That makes it great. Yeah, you know, it's so easy on dirt bike.
Everybody got fucking dirt bikes. Nigga, shit what? I think it got what, 12,000 miles on it? Like, it don't get operated or nothing. Literally stay in the garage. Literally. Yeah. The reason why I was changing those, because I just wanted everything to look pretty, you feel me? I was gonna spray the black shit and just make everything fully black. Put on some brand new tires on that shit.
You're
gonna do the black with the blue accents?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Nice. I like that.
Like, you feel me? But literally, I think when was it? I think like 2 days ago, my man's died off of this shit too.
Oh damn.
Yeah, it was 2 days ago, right?
Oh yeah, Rob.
Oh, 3 days now, yeah, 3 days. He had a one of the 1000 Kawasaki. Yeah. Nigga coming from a party drunk, bro. And nigga died, and I was like,
damn, bro, my fault.
Yeah. And then one of the reasons, like, I wanted to get this too.
Oh, what the fuck is?
That's a bunny.
What the fuck is that?
I want to get this too, because everybody that's going to be there on his last ride out got dirt bikes, you feel me? So I was like, fuck it, we just want to ride this and give me bikes.
No, that dirt bike, man, I should wheelies like it ain't nothing.
No, I ain't doing no wheelies. I ain't that nice. I just, I go in up.
Yeah. It's so easy, bro.
Yeah.
You're gonna get little power wheelies and shit, and then you're gonna be like, well, hold up, how do I clutch up? And you're gonna, it's so easy, bro. Just don't do it first. Just scare the shit out of yourself and not want to do it.
I ain't trying to.
You'll fully fall
shit. Like, I just wanna. For me, I ain't trying to really nothing, not one bit. Just wanna have fun. I'll be like him. Just go first, second, third, and that's it. Take my time. That's it. So, yeah.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, Sashi, you chatting, we got back to the Bronx. It's either you want it or not, niggas. It's either you want it or not. That's what you saying?
Huh? We good. I like this shit.
Up there.
Yeah.
Spoiled nigga. You gotta wash this shit. But yeah, that's it. Yo.
Let me know, bro. Like, hit me and let me know, like, how the bike operates.
Nah, it's not my side, nigga.
Nigga, that shit getting lower and lower.
I don't know, the bike just not leaning properly. I guess when we stop at Chick-fil-A, we just see it, because we about to get Chick-fil-A. Yeah, this would be like a fire vlog video, but so far, the bike is just like, I mean, it shouldn't fall anymore.
I don't know, nigga, look how that strap is on the seat. Oh shit, that shit went down more.
Yeah, that shit went down more. Alright, just gonna hit the side of the thing. It's still, it's just gonna hit the side of the bed. But I want it to look fire, nigga. I wanted that shit to stand up straight.
I think that ratchet strap open and loosen it.
Nah, it can't be. So we made it to Chick-fil-A. We fixed the bike. So we put 2 straps on the passenger side and then 1 on the driver's side. And this shit is up there, so it's gonna look lit. Class of 213. Use protection. Creek Freak. Ray's favorite place. Yo, Chick-fil-A, if you haven't seen.
Ladies before gentlemen, please. Hi, honey.
if Chick-fil-A ever sees this, sponsor Ray.
Fuck your fuck.
Let me so.
Hey, why? Too much tree money on one, bro. Good.
And also, can I get a
Yo, read.
I'm not gonna say it. 8 count nuggets, regular.
Damn.
Myself.
You want an 8-piece, bro? You hungry?
That's it.
That's it? That's it?
Yeah.
Any sauce?
Huh?
Any sauce?
Chick-fil-A, a lot of Chick-fil-A sauce.
Why you got the camera? I'm out of time. And what's the name for the order?
Tony.
Tony? Kilometer 32? Okay.
Damn, Sashi. Yeah, word. You're a good you. You're a good you.
I said no.
I love me some Chick-fil-A, man. I love me some Chick-fil-A. Especially some fries from Chick-fil-A with the sauce. I love me some Chick-fil-A, man. Oh, I'm a munch. Go ahead and come motherfucking Chick-fil-A. I don't care, I'll be a munch. About to head back, drop Sashi truck, bike off, and I got another bike after this.
Whoa. Yeah, gave it back.
We outside. Hey yo, nigga Ray, fucking that up. Bro, slow down. This nigga's a munch. Damn, that bike look fire in the back there.
Great. That's what she said. Now he gonna play ball.
I put that nigga bitch though.
Whoa, nah, see, I gotta delete that clip. Just got finished done eating, washed my hands. Chick-fil-A bussin', haven't had it in a minute. Now we about to head back to New York. We're probably like 30 minutes away. Oh man, so chilling low key, high key. Like, you know, like right now, in traffic. His lights are so bright, bro. Like, look at this. That's the difference in it. But yeah, we like probably 30 minutes, maybe less.
This nigga shitted on himself. No fucking way.
I gotta take that shit,
Ray, you not smelling that, bro? Yo, you stink, bro. What the fuck? Ray, you not smelling that?
I'm minimizing my breathing.
Yo.
I can't eat shit, bro. My stomach.
No way. Bro. No fucking way.
Yo, why you laughing, Ray? That ain't fire. I'll rip another one. Now, if I rip another one, I'm gonna shit myself. Bro, if you know you can't drive, oh shit. Bro, focus. Focus. Oh shit. You know you can't drive. Damn. Oh, that shit started. Yeah, he hit a Tesla. Yeah. So we just picked up one more bike. Dinosaur bike. Well, now. We just left Ray Block. Sashi dipped to go drop the bike off. I'm with the owner of the bike that's right here, of that bike, and I'm going to his house to drop it off, and then from there I'm done, and probably edit this video and it'll probably be up sometime the next week, but yeah.